The Smeg Speedwave Microwave ovens not only benefit from a microwave, but also traditional cooking functions too, such as a fan and also a grill. So you can use the oven as a traditional oven. However, if you want to maximise the use of the oven, you can also combine both of these functions together. So take benefit of the browning of the oven, but also the speed of the microwave. It's really straightforward to convert a regular recipe to combination cookery. All you have to do is keep the same oven temperature that you would have already chosen on a regular cooking function, and then halve the cooking time. Of course, you have to select a microwave wattage, but it's simply choosing a microwave wattage that is similar to the density of the food. So if we're cooking a jacket potato, for example, you'd want to go for a higher end wattage such as 400 or 500 watts, or if it's something like this fish pie, then you'd be choosing something a little lower like 300 or 200 watts.